Welcome to this video. I am Oyeyemi Olalekan, a six-figure digital creator. In this video, I want to show you how you can learn any digital skill for free. Yes, I mean it, for free. It is not everyone that has that capacity to pay huge amount of money, okay, or to purchase expensive course to learn. It is not everybody that has the money. So that is why I want to show you how to, learn any digital skill for free. All right? Okay? No matter the skill you want to learn, digital skill you want to learn, you're able to learn it for free. Something like Amazon KDP, real estate investor, how to make money worldwide, how to make money from YouTube, cryptocurrency, poultry keeping, farming, graphic design, video editing, sales and closing, copywriting, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, coding, web design, web development, hacking, website learning, deep learning, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, e-booking, accounting, Facebook ad mastery, Instagram ad mastery, how to make money on TikTok. You see, the list is endless. So what do you do to gain access to these digital courses for free? More than 500 courses, you are going to have access to it for free. Okay, so what you do is this: click on the link in the comment section to register. Okay, so when you register, you'll be given access to all this, or you click on the description of this video. You will see a link where you are going to register, and once you register, you'll be given access to all the videos. Okay, you put the email and you put in the password. Okay, then you click on login. All right, after that, when you log in, then you go to my learning, go to your profile, click on my learning. You see, these are the courses: digital voice, cloning using artificial intelligence. You see, make money, beginner guide to Android app, get this video, cryptocurrency, altcoin mastery, copywriting, introduction to forex learning. You see, this is 514 courses. It's going to be more than this very soon, and you begin to click on it next, and you see the next video. In case you want to make it fast, you don't want to keep on clicking next here, so that you can see all the 514 courses. I said it's going to be more than that. So what do? You come here. Let's say you want to learn how to run Facebook ads. Just type Facebook here, type Facebook, then send it. Good. You see, these are the courses, about 24 results for Facebook. You learn all this for free. You are not paying any money for it, because all these individual courses, all these courses, some are like 25,000, 50,000, 80,000. So that is the price of these courses. Okay, so this is 24 said. You see, best Facebook ad, Facebook live masterclass, Facebook marketing. You see, these are the courses under Facebook. Okay, that is it for under Facebook. So with this, you will learn Facebook lead generation, you will learn how to do marketing with Facebook, how to make money with Facebook ad, how to write Facebook funnel, anything on Facebook ads, you will learn it. Okay, because you will also have different instructor, so it will make you to become a professional. Okay, so that is for Facebook. Let's type Instagram. Then click enter. So that is how you will be searching for the skill you want to learn. If you already have the skill in mind, Instagram marketing, attract your dream client on Instagram. You see, so grow your business with chatbot. Okay, I'm just talking about social media now. Let me type social media here. You see, social media make visitor like your social media page. You see, time saying your social media. So you see this, you see TikTok rank SEO video for marketing. You see, so that is for TikTok. Okay, all right, that is for that. Okay, let's say you want to learn how to make money online. You type money, then click enter. 19 results. You see, make money from home, cryptocurrency, learn how to make money online, make money from home, writing words, make money selling copywriting service, how to make money online for beginners, make money from home. You see, simple step to make money on TikTok, 45 work from home. You see, that is for how to make money. Okay, so there is no way you will not make money after which you have watched all these video tutorial. You see, times 10 your cryptocurrency, make money online. First step, safe online mastery. So that is that make money. Okay, let me type Amazon. So if you have something you want to learn, okay, my spelling is not correct. Amazon. You see about self search for Amazon. You see, this will show you how to earn in dollars. So you have master course on Amazon Connect, e-commerce on Amazon, sell low content coloring books on Amazon, make passive income, publishing, advanced SEO, keyword research to rank. If you have not, even if you have learned how to publish ebook on Amazon, if you don't learn how to do keyword research, you will not make any single sales on Amazon. I must not deceive you. So that is that. Okay, let me type on crypto. Let's see what will come out on crypto. Okay, you see, this is on crypto. Ethical hacking. You will learn how to make money with crypto. Okay, so that is that. Let me type on sales. Okay, you see, sales skills, sales funnel masterclass, sales skills, next sales skills training. You see, so this is everything about sales. About how many results is this? 22 results. Sales funnel, becoming a sales professional. You see, freelancing, copywriting. You see, Facebook mastery, smart content mastery. Okay, let me type copywriting. So I'm telling you that there is nothing you want to learn here that you will not see. You see, copywriting, base of copywriting template, freelancing, copywriting persuasive. You see everything on copywriting. That is just it. Okay. Let me type accounting. For those who are in the accounting sector, you see on marketing. Okay, let me type on web. Just let me type web. You see, 37 results. Deep web. You see, internet web development. Okay, let me just type web development. Web development. Web development. You see, web development, blockchain web development, masterclass web development. You see, everything here is what? Web development. Okay. Now let me type programming. So that is for web development. Web design is also there. Okay, let me type graphics. So you see everything here is under graphic design, like logo design, design beautiful. You see everything here. So let me type video. Everything here is under video. Okay, video editing and video animation. You see what again? Just type it, even if it is on net. Okay, type it here. So you see, to show that there is nothing you will see here that you come here to check that you will not see. So now I'll be showing you many other things. Okay, so what do you do? How do you gain access to all these courses? How do you gain access to it? You can gain access to it, you just need to register. And once you register, you are registering with a token amount of money. It is not even much, very small. Okay, it is not even up to the money you used to subscribe for your data. Okay, so when you sign up and you register, you will learn. You will have access to all these courses, and you will learn as you want. Okay, so go and sign up, and you learn all this for free. You learn it for free. Okay, so see you as you sign up and you learn all these skills for free, and you enjoy yourself. You make money, okay, for yourself, by yourself, within the comfort of your room, okay, without having to beg or without having to be doing all these 9 to 6 or 9 to 12 business, or being under somebody that will be controlling you, and then you will not have time for yourself. If you learn all these skills, just 1 or 2 skills here, you master it, and you begin to also teach others, or you also render it as a service and you get paid. Okay, so something like Fiverr now, you render service, and you get paid in dollar. You see, this is for Fiverr had to become top level. Fiverr March 2023, Fiverr freelancing act. You see, like say at the same time Upwork. Okay, you also see something. You see, this is for Upwork. Okay, you see now there is nothing you type here and that you will not see. You learn any skill for free. So go and sign up right now, okay, and you will appreciate and thank me later that I show you this secret. So then there is a support group for you. When you sign up, you also have access to to ask questions when you do not understand or you don't know what to learn. Okay, so don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to to like this video, so that other people will be able to see it and learn any digital skill for free, instead of paying huge amount of money to learn digital skill. So you learn you learn any skill, okay, for free. You are not paying for any other amount or for any other money after which you register. No, you are not paying for any other course at all. You are not signing up for any other course again, okay? Because with this there is a section where you can also ask questions. Okay, so go and register now before it is too late. Okay, see you as you learn and you earn. My name is Oyeyemi Olalekan. Don't forget to share this video.